Let's get started. So for this problem, I'm actually gonna, make that smaller. So we're gonna be looking at this diagram. This is a standard gold bar found at Fort Knox. Gold has a density of 19.3 grams per cubic centimeter. We need to find the mass. So looking at the density is mass over volume formula, we need to go ahead and first off, we see that we've got inches and then centimeters. So let's go ahead and convert the measurements into centimeters first. Obviously, we can't be mixing inches and centimeters. Two different worlds, so we're going to go ahead and separate them. So first off, we'll call L the length, which is 7. So 7 times 2.54, if you guys think dimensional analysis, inches over 1 inch, centimeters, the inches cancel, and you'll get 17.78 centimeters for the length. The width is 3.625 inches. We need to convert that to centimeters by doing 2.54 centimeters over 1 inch. The inches cancel, and we get 9.2075 for the width. And last up is the height, and that is 1.75 inches times 2.54 centimeters over 1 inch. That's the conversion rate if you did not catch that. 4.445 centimeters is the height. So now we have everything in centimeters, which works because we know the density to be in centimeters. Next up, we need to go ahead and, sorry, I'm making that a little smaller so I can fit more in. We need to go ahead and find the volume of this standard gold bar. If you look at it, that's a rectangular prism. So we are going to use base times width, if I can speak, times height. So base times width times height. Your book wants you to find the area of the base, which is length times width, and then multiply by the height. Either way, you get the same thing. So 17.78 times 9.2075 times 4.445. We want to go out on the decimals. We want it to be the most accurate. So we'll get 727.69 centimeters cubed. That's approximately, we rounded that one to the nearest hundredth now that we got there. The reason why I didn't round really these prior ones is because we don't want to round too many times. I think I said this in the last unit. We want to be careful because the more we round, the further we go from the exact answer. Now, we found the volume and we have the density. We need to find the mass. So let's go like this. And since density equals mass over volume, we're going to set it up. We know the density to be 19.3 and mass over our volume 727.69. What do? You cross multiply or multiply both sides by 727.69. Multiply them. That cancels on the right-hand side. On the left-hand side, you get rounded 14,044 is approximately X, which means our mass is approximately 14,044 grams. That is my dog. All right, that's it for this problem. So hopefully that made sense. We had to find all the missing pieces and then we put it together.